Warning, this contains weird shit, so if you're not interested in all that fuck, get the fuck out of here or I will shit in my own britches.
After all those years, for what I had been through, did you ever thought of me?
No, bitch.
Gordon's cock. It was almost Love's Day on the island of S, and all the engines were getting.
I love you so much, honey.
Nigga, what the fuck? Phew. This cock was hard. I'm nearly puffed out.
At least we won't have to work tomorrow.
What the hell are you talking about? I don't understand what the hell you're saying.
That's right. We'll all enjoy the day of love when tomorrow comes.
Gordon was alone. He was thinking about cock. Cock was the new streamlined engine that had just arrived on the island of So with Buford. Gordon had a sudden secret feeling for Caitlin when he saw her. Thomas and Toby took him to the
Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
They found out that Gordon loves cock.
Nigga, you gay! That was so fun, Gordon.
Yes.
I rather enjoyed it. Thank you.
Sex.
This is the first time my dad ever taught me how to stick my finger in my... Hey, ladies. What you doing?
Die, bitch.
No, bitches!
Put the thing back where it belongs, or I'll stick my finger in my
Penis!